Good morning, everybody. This is The Future's Yours. Today we're trading the NASDAQ 100 E-mini futures on my take profit $50,000 evaluation account. It's currently 6:28 a.m. on Pacific Standard Time, about 2 minutes till market open. Maybe 1 minute till market open. So we're just going to wait for this to get going and check back in when we start to see a setup form. I don't really like trading the pre-market or the first 15 minutes just because volatility is pretty high and you get stopped out almost instantly sometimes. So we'll give it a few minutes, see if we could start to see a setup form. Candles like that are exactly why I don't like trading the open. That just whipped back up super hard. Although if we can trend down a little bit, pull back one more time to those EMAs, maybe to my little resistance zone here. Might try to get in short. $25 points in a matter of seconds. That's a $500 move in like 5 seconds. Trapped all these people that tried going short off the open. Might be trapping the longs now.
Order filled.
See if we trapped those longs at the top. Swept some liquidity. Just doing one contract with a 50 tick stop, about $250 risk. Shooting for 100 tick profit, 2 times the risk. Yep, about 150. Because it's so volatile, I think I'm going to move my stop to break even here. Take off the risk. Target's in a good place. Down at this order block here. See if we could make a new low. Hit that target. We start to wake up. I might just close early. Could be trapping more sellers.
Order filled.
Perfect. That was a beautiful, easy trade there. $495 on my valuation account. These green zones I marked up during the pre-market real quick. All I did, I'll hide my indicators here real quick, and I just go to the 15-minute chart, mark up some zones where we've had some support and resistance, some flips, just a few major zones. I like to keep it fairly clean and simple. Right now we're at all-time highs, so I couldn't really do many resistance zones besides the overnight high. Generally, I'll just like to look at where price is now, do 2 zones above, 2 zones below. Keep it simple. And that one bounced perfectly off the overnight highs. And generally, I wouldn't take one so early, but because we got this nice tweezer top, double top just outside of the high here, looked like it just swept liquidity up there, trapped a bunch of buyers, so it can shoot down easy. Pretty nice trade. Now we might sit back for a while, make sure I don't get too greedy, and just be patient. Look for something else.
Stop filled.
Let's see if this is going to hold below these EMAs here. I get stopped out pretty quick.
Stop filled.
So unfortunately we did get stopped out. $250 loss, but that is precisely why I go for a target that is 2 times the risk. Won one trade, lost one. Still up on the day a little bit for now. We're below that resistance zone again. I think we might continue down.
Order filled.
Target perfectly at that low again. That'll be 100 ticks. If we get up 50 ticks, I'm gonna move my stop to break even. See if we can get through that trend line again. And we wicked off of it perfectly. Two seconds and we get volatility. Seven o'clock news. Hopefully it was bad news and just shoves us down. I don't pay attention to the news events. It's the price action. It looks like it was in our favor. Hopefully it goes just a little more. I'm going to move to break even. It is very volatile at 7 o'clock. Starts to wick, I'm going to close.
Order
Beautiful.
filled.
Beautiful trade. I was cutting it a little too close for comfort up here. Luckily that resistance zone held us down a bit. And I gotta say, that trade, I think, was 90% luck. Because I had no idea what news was coming. Generally, I won't hold a trade or take a trade right at 7. Because you never know what's going to happen. As you can see, this 1 minute candle went from 636 all the way down to 600. It's a $700 move, 60 seconds. But now we're at 2 winners, 1 loser, brings us to a total $735 after commissions. I like it. I'm going to sit back for a while, wait for this volatility to settle down. See if maybe we can get one more trade. If not, I'll be happy taking this for today.
Order filled.
Taking a stab. If I lose this one, I'm going to call it for the day. Be up a little under $500 after commissions. Once I've lost a couple trades, my psychology starts to take a dive and start making mistakes. So
Stop filled.
alright, I'm going to call it there. I'm up 470 on the day. At this point, I could easily lose all that. So I want to preserve that, move into the next day. If you're interested in trying out Take Profit Trader, I do have an affiliate link in the video description. They currently have a sale 40% off and no activation fee. So 50K account costs $102 to start. And once you pass your test, you do not have to pay another fee to get your funded account. Also, it's the only prop firm I know of where if you blow your funded account, you can pay to reset the account up to 3 times without having to take another test. And the namesake of them, Take Profit, you don't need minimum trading days to withdraw profits from your funded account. You could withdraw on day 1, you could withdraw multiple times a day, any day, every day, which I haven't seen with anybody else, so check it out. Link in the video description, give them a try. Alright everybody, stay safe, stay profitable, and the future's yours.